everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Malanga, our fun, from the 17th to 21st of November 2025 on Monday. A woman fights to break free from a fate she never chose, while a family battles the cracks of betrayal and a war brew in the music industry on Tuesday. Thembi is crushed when Melizo offers her a cruel compromise, while Xoli plays both sides, pledging vengeance with Sabelo. She secretly forges a dangerous pact with Thunami. Macele, shaken by her breakdown, takes Ntombi's advice and books herself into a wellness center on Wednesday. Thembi is subjected to her rehearsal dinner but seeks her escape. A wounded Thunami orders a kill. Dulas returns to his roots, seeking divine intervention to change his fortune on Thursday. Sugar Basin helped Thembi betray her promise to her family. Sabelo and Xoli plot an enemy downfall. Thembi is met with a deep disappointment at home on Friday. Thembi's relentless search for Babkoza lead to ridicule from an enemy, but she also has a shocking discovery about what he did with the money. Sabelo is traumatized after selling his soul again, and it struggles to cope as the bullying gets more horrific. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.